Thank you for joining me for this brief video that will walk you through importing a plate layout from MVS Data Manager into the ArtelWare application. I've got some information to share with you, so let's go ahead and get started. Before we begin, it should be noted that only MVS Data Manager's versions 3.6 and 3.7 have the ability to export plate layouts into an XML file type that then can be imported into ArtelWare. Let's go ahead and take a look at how we accomplish this. Navigate to File, Plate Layout Setup. In this particular list, I'm going to be exporting the ArtelWare Plate Layout Export 1 and the ArtelWare Plate Layout Export 5. Click to highlight the plate layout that you wish to export. Then click on the Export box. From there, navigate to the file location where you want this XML file to be exported, and then go ahead and name your file name, and click Save. You'll then see a message indicating the plate layout export was saved to that file location that you selected earlier. Let's go ahead and click OK, and then let's go back into the plate layout setup screen again, and this time I'll select ArtelWare Plate Layout Export 5. I'll click on the Export button. You can see that my computer is defaulting to the file location that I selected for the ArtelWare Export 1 XML file. I've gone ahead and named my file name appropriately, ArtelWare Export 5, and I'll go ahead and click Save again. And then there's that reassuring message indicating the plate layout export file was saved. I'll go ahead and click OK, and I'll close out of MVS Data Manager. Now that I'm logged into ArtelWare, let's go ahead and explore how I can import those two plate layouts that I just exported from Data Manager. If we go to the configuration icon on the far left navigation panel, we can choose to import a Data Manager plate layout as a pipette calibration plan or a liquid handler verification plan. Today, I'm going to import two Data Manager plate layouts as verification plans. You can see that verification plans is already highlighted. If it wasn't, I'd click on the Verification Plans section, and then I'd click on the icon that says Import Artel MVS Data Manager Plate Layout. From there, I'll navigate to the file location where my plate layout exports reside, and I'll select my first plate layout, ArtelWare Export Number 1, and I'll select Open. Here you can see the verification plan name is the same name that I had assigned to it in its MVS Data Manager plate layout. Next, we'll confirm the plate type is 96 wells. And then we'll confirm the head configuration details. The number of channels for this head, for this plate layout, is 96. The orientation is horizontal because it's a 96 channel head. And the tip spacing is contiguous because, again, it's a 96 channel head, so we can't skip wells. Next, we'll take a look at the evaluation criteria. I'm measuring in accuracy and in precision. But then I need to make a decision. Do I want my channel statistics included in the evaluation criteria as well as the dispense order statistics? I'll go ahead and leave those as is. Before I click Approve, though, there's one more step that I need to do. I need to click on the Dispense Step tab. Now that I'm on the Dispense Step tab, you can see that this is a 96 channel head being tested at 200 microliters with 3 replicates. You can see over on the right-hand side that it says showing plate 1 of 3. I can click on this arrow to show the next plate and the next plate. And I can click on the left side arrow and go back. This particular plate layout is pretty straightforward though. It's testing a 96 channel head at 200 microliters with 3 replicates. So this particular plate layout matches my MVS Data Manager layout. I'm going to go ahead and select Approve. Because I have the Compliance Suite add-on module for the ArtelWare application, I need to enter in my electronic signature information. I'll go ahead and click Sign, and then we'll see the ArtelWare Plate Layout Export 1 is now shown in the ArtelWare Verification Plans list. Let's go ahead and import that second plate layout. Once again, I'll navigate to the file location where my plate layout exports reside. I'll select ArtelWare Export 5, and I'll select Open. Once again, I'm confirming the name ArtelWare Plate Layout Export 5 and the description. Those are the same pieces of information that were shown in MVS Data Manager. The plate type is still a 96 well plate type, but this time I have an 8 channel head that this plate layout was made for. The orientation has to be vertical because it's an 8-channel device. And the tip spacing has to be contiguous because, again, it's an 8-channel device. I'll take a quick look at my evaluation criteria. And yet again, before I select Approve, I'm going to click on the Dispense Step tab. Here you can see I have 10 microliters at 4 replicates. I have 50 microliters at 4 replicates. And I have a 100 microliter test at 4 replicates as well. I'm pretty content with this one, so I'll go ahead and select Approve. I'll enter my credentials for the electronic signature, and I'll select Sign. That concludes my brief video. Do you have any questions? You can contact our technical support team at 1-800-225-4034 option 3 or at support@aicompanies.com. Thank you.